Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Wieprima Soldering Iron Set. It's a Pyrography Soldering Iron Set. Yeah, and you can adjust from 220 degrees Celsius up to 480 degrees Celsius. Oh, that means here comes an adjustable temperature soldering iron. Oh yeah! And it's a set for wood, leather, engraving, DIY art, welding, sculpture, wood, and pyrography. And of course, so much more. It comes with a nice design, as you can see. You can easily program or adjust the temperature of the iron by using the rotation knob here. Yeah, it's easy because there is an on and off button. Then you have to switch it on and you can adjust the temperature level easily from 220 up to 480 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah. The water temperature option with that easy adjusting comes with a nice thing on it. The soldering iron ensures the high accuracy and constant temperature to meet all the requirements of our welding project. And it comes with an improved PTC internal heating core. It used the improved internal thermoceramic PTC sensor technology. The wood burning tips can heat up faster at stable temperature. This signification improved the work efficiency and save energy as well. Yeah, and it comes with an ergonomic handle design. The ergonomically shaped handle helps us work more stable and correctly. Lightweight allows us to use it for a long time without feeling tired. Oh, 4 ventilation holes can reduce the heat transferred to the handle. And it's really nice and easy because in the set there are so many more parts included which we can use for so many things out there. The Wieprima Soldering Iron provide various service both in the professional sector as well as in hobby sector. We can easily perform various repairs or crafts. With that iron, you can soldering easily 2 things together. For example, wires. Because a soldering iron is a hand tool. It's used in soldering. It supplies heat to melt solder so that it can flow into the joint between 2 workpieces. A soldering iron is composed of a heated metal tip and an insulated handle. Heating is often achieved electrically by passing an electrical current through a resistive heating element. Of course, it's really easy. Dock it in position into the power socket and then you switch on and it will go on. Solder melts at approximately 185 degrees Celsius. Soldering irons are designed to reach a temperature range from 200 to 480. These are the soldering melt point is 365 degrees Fahrenheit. And a standard soldering iron like here comes with 392 to 896 Fahrenheit. The soldering irons are the most often used for installation, repairs and limited production works in electronical assembly. High volume production lines use other soldering methods, of course. But here it comes with the DIY thing. The maximum power is enough to solder so much, and there are so many tips included. We have a series of tips out there with a different style of diameters. And that's not all, there are more tips available in this set for make wood work, for burn a little bit into leather, for example. It's really nice to provide continued protection against risk of electric shock. We have connected a properly grounded outlet only. We don't use this device in water, of course. It comes with a hot faucet. The surface in the front will be hot, so avoid of contact. And it's an household and indoor use only device here. We only can replace the tips as well. And with these tips, we can handle it as so many different threads to use it. For example, it's good for a simple iron, okay? Electrical and electronical works, a low power iron, a power rating between 15 and 35 watts is used. High ratings are available, of course, but do not run at higher temperature. Okay, so this iron here comes with a good temperature range to melt the nice and good soldering easy. Okay, the solder has to melt, and the solder is a fusible metal alloy used to create a permanent bond between metal workpieces. Solder is melted in order to adhere to and connect the pieces after cooling, which requires that an alloy suitable for it, as solder have a lower melting point than the pieces beyond the joint. The solder should also be resistant to oxidation and corrosive effects that would upgrade the joint over time. The solder used in making electric connection also needs to have favorite electrical characteristics, of course. And, of course, we will have a pump in it here. This pump is included, and the pump is really nice because this pump helps you to desolder anything. What you like. There is a toolbox included. A solder wire is included, and anti-static tweezers, and the desoldering pump. You can use this desoldering pump to desolder connections easily. We will have a soldering iron with an adjustable temperature level. We will have a copper wire cleaner. This copper wire cleaner is good to clean our soldering iron tips. And a lot of soldering iron tips are included too. There is a soldering iron stand in the box too, and with the soldering iron stand included is a sponge. This sponge, you have to get a little bit of water in it, and then you can use this to cool down your soldering iron tips easily, and of course to clean it temporarily. This is really easy, and you can perform this with the Wieprima Soldering iron set. For example, use 2 wire connections, then hold them together, get a little bit solder on the soldering iron tip, and after this, go and dock them together. Job's done. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. This Pyrography Soldering iron set comes with 220 degrees Celsius up to 480 degrees as just stable temperature settings. It's a soldering iron set for wood, leather, engraving, DIY, art, welding, sculpture, wood, and pyrography. And, of course, for soldering. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.